What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Super simple, take 5 seconds. If this is useful to you, make sure to subscribe. First thing we're going to do is open up our browser, whichever one you want. I'm going to go with Firefox. Open that guy up. We're going to go to Google. We are going to Google download Google Chrome. Install Chrome today. It's the first link. Go ahead and click on that. And then big old button, download Chrome. Click that. It looks like up here it downloaded. So you click on your downloads, go to this show in folder button, click that, and it'll bring up everything that you've downloaded. This is your most recent one. I just downloaded it earlier, so that's why that's there. You're going to double click, and it's going to install Chrome. Bam, there you go. Super simple, super quick. If that was helpful, make sure to leave a comment, give us a like, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you guys later.